How to choose the right engine oil for bus. Engine oil grades are labels that define the viscosity of oil, which is a measure of its thickness and flow properties. These grades help determine how well the oil performs under different temperatures and conditions. Choosing the right engine oil grade depends on various factors, including climate, engine type, and bus usage. 1. Weather conditions and operating environment. Colder climates require oils with lower W ratings, while hotter conditions require thicker oils. 2. Engine type and bus usage. Consider the specific needs of your bus engine, whether it's a diesel engine or a hybrid. Engine size and age also matter. 3. Manufacturer recommendations and oil specifications. Always check your bus's manual or manufacturer guidelines for specific oil requirements.
Autonomous Fluid System by Antares.